Alright, so you have these vans. Oh, that is not what I wanted. Sometimes the oil becomes low in them before you get an oil change, so we had to stop on a Mercedes on the way. And we had to get some oil, and now we're going to barely top it off, probably by putting 900 milliliters. We're probably just going to put that much in, you think. So you never want to use a full quart because you will overfill this, and less is better. Filter funnel in there. I'm having issues opening up the oil. And we're just going to slowly pour this in because I'm short as all get out. You can always add more, you can't take it away. There is the lovely Walmarts that we just went in to get that funnel from. Now that we are still gross and disgusting, we are going to head over to an Anytime Fitness to shower, and we have like a 10-hour drive ahead of us.
We'll see how far we get.
Yeah, because it's all the way to Indiana that we plan on going. So we'll see how far we get, but 7:13 right now, and we'll lose another hour.
I know, last hour.
Yeah, last hour, because we'll be getting into Eastern time, so let's start driving. All right, you guys, we are out of Love's, filling up diesel, and they actually have the RV spots, which we haven't run across yet.
No, this is our first time seeing them.
But glad we did. So we filled up diesel and we bought some snacks inside. But if you ask nicely, which you guys always need to ask.
Yes, we always do ask.
We always ask if they had potable water, and they said it was over here at the RV station. And now we asked if we could fill up, and they said yes. So we are going to fill up water now and then let Chancey out.
And then get on the road again.
Yep, always.
Yep. You good?
Yep.
Okay, you let me know when.
Should be good.
Good, okay. Just starting to hear it now.
Okay, I don't hear it yet.
Okay.
Okay. Stop.
You just hit yourself with that?
No, you.
Sorry. I thought it was too much.
Well, we can take Chancey out now. You don't have to stand there.
Fair, okay. Thank you.
Yep.
Little crazy girl. Ooh, that sun is warm.
Huh?
Sun is warm.
Sun is warm, but it'll be nice when we're back in the van.
Yeah.
Get my steps in.
I know. Like we didn't already.
We won't get a lot today, that's for sure, driving.
No. I know. I smell all the things. Okay. Lunch today? Taco dip.
So we have made it to Wisconsin, and for lunch today will be taco dip. And this is super simple. All it is like a brick of cream cheese, like an 8 ounce sour cream, and then just taco seasoning. And then I put black olives, shredded lettuce, and cheese on it. That's it.
And you can customize it however you want. Tomatoes, other toppings, whatever.
Yep.
Except,
So we've got about another 4 hours left till we reach Indiana. Looks like we might hit a storm in the way.
yeah, that should be fun.
Chancey's had her food, and now she wants to play.
Oh my gosh, always, every time.
After she eats every time. So we are gonna munch this down and drive, and then Amanda's probably gonna feed me
Yep.
chips as I drive, so that way we can just get going, because it ain't gonna drive itself.
Nope.
Huh? I hate you, Chicago.
We don't like Chicago right now. I'm sorry if you love Chicago and you live here. This traffic sucks.
I have never seen people drive on shoulders to cut people off.
Just semi. Oh my god.
Everybody here is an a-hole, plain and simple. I don't care who you are. I have seen people drive on shoulders, cut me off, slam on brakes, cut other people off. This is horrible.
And it's still raining.
And it's pouring rain.
The roads are flooding. So we're having a really good time.
It is the worst city that I have ever driven through in my life. And Florida is pretty up there.
I know. I'm sorry, Chicago, we will not be back.
No.
We'll let you know if we survived later.
Yeah. Woo for Indiana.
We survived.
I don't know.
Sort of.
Pretty emotionally damaged right now.
You're fine.
Home for the night. Woohoo! Indiana dudes. Let's see where everybody's parts.
Somebody here.
Yep, they're there on the back.
Yep. There's RV and bus parking in the back too,
Yep.
I guess.
And there's like normal parking up here.
Yeah, we'll be fine.
Yeah. So I guess there's a burger in there.
There's another box, yes.
I hope so.
Yep, there you go.
Alright guys, it has been an eventful day. It's been about a 10-hour drive today.
Yep.
Just been our longest. We've had problems with the inverters. We went through some really bad weather in Chicago, as you saw. At the same time, and we'll show you later once we're done eating, because it's already 8 o'clock again tonight.
We got a fun message.
Yeah, we got a fun
the van.
message that the fog light right side, something was wrong with it. Stopped and got Culver's finally when we got out of that, and through all that construction and everything that we went through, the fog light is absolutely shattered.
Yeah, a rock must have came up or something, debris, and hit it, and the glass is broken in the front, the light is broken inside.
Yeah, so unfortunately, that's just gonna be what it is until we can get it fixed. So once we're done eating, we've got to go pull either glass or plastic, I don't know which one it is, out of it, because there are shards, so we need to do that. But we are going to eat. I got a burger, because Culver's is no longer near us, by the way. So we're getting the food that we miss: White Castle's, Culver's, and Skyline. Mm-hmm. That's pretty much the three main ones. So if you see us eat it, no judgment. Just saying.
It is what it is.
Yep. So we're going to eat this and enjoy it. And we will show you our fog lights, and we will tell you what happened with our inverter.
Yeah, that was fun.
That sucked too. Today's just been a day.
It's been a day, but we made it.
I don't know.
We made it.
My mental health right now is in question.
You just need a nap. It's
I
okay.
just need to sleep.
Yeah.
So that's what's happened to our light. It literally just shattered. So gonna have to get this replaced once we're done with our trip. But need to remove all of that first. Move. Get off mom's shoes. Nasty. Put that nastiness up in there. Showed you guys the busted fog light. It sucks. It is glass. Just gonna have to wait till we get back to fix. But the problem that we were having with the inverter, so you see this little green light right here? That means that it's on. And so we had it set at some point before we left to never turn off, because it does have a 25-hour turn off time. I mean, we've been plugged into shore power, you know, other than when we're not at the actual RV park. And for some reason, 2 nights in a row, that's turned off on us. And then we finally figured out to look at that again. It had reset itself to have a 25-hour turn off time again. So we had to fix that. Luckily, nothing ever went spoiled, but...
No, we caught it quickly enough.
Yeah.
One morning I was trying to plug in the iPad to charge it. And
Yeah.
I was like, why isn't this working? It's not charging. Maybe
Yeah.
something's wrong with the cord. So I like switched the cords and it wasn't working. I'm like, babe, why isn't this working? And you look and you're like, oh, the inverter's off. Oh no.
Yeah.
So you turn it back on. It was fine. And then
Yeah.
the next day I went to go get something from the fridge in the Dometic. And I lift up the lid and I'm like, the light's not on. Check the inverter.
Yeah. Yeah. So if you ever want to turn off the timer on your inverter, at least on the 2022s with the Xantrex Freedom X, you can do it. And so it's really easy. You just hold the OK button while the inverter's on. Hold the OK button for 3 seconds. It will beep the whole time. Scroll up to find number 5 for the setting. Then you'll see where it says 5. You'll hit OK. Then you'll see where it says 25. Hit OK, and then you'll be able to switch that to off or however many hours you want to do it. So we got that fixed again. So we'll take that. But we're going to call it a night. It has been a long day, and it is time to relax and then go see the National Sand Dunes that are here in Indiana.
I'm excited for that.
Yep, that's where you're parked up for tonight to sleep. And we're going to go check that out in the morning and have Chancey play in some sand. So we will catch you guys later.